This video that you are about to see today is going to be one of the most valuable videos that you've seen on YouTube so far. I'm going to teach you how you can create your entire e-commerce empire, just like this website over here, where you can list hundreds to thousands of products on your online store without actually having those products in stock and sell them all over the world and make huge profit margins. Now, we're not going to be using Shopify. We're not going to be using paid plugins. We're not going to be paying a single cent to go and set up a store like this. You can actually do this completely for free if you just know where to go and look. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go and create an online store just like I created mine over here. What's going on YouTube? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur, forex trader, and content creator, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I make money online. If you want to follow that journey, make sure to subscribe down below with that red notification bell on. Leave a comment down below what type of content you would like to see, whether you want to make money with affiliate marketing, PayPal money, trading, dropshipping, drop servicing. Comment down below so that I know what kind of content you guys would like to see, and make sure to leave a like down below. Your support really pumps me up. And off the bat, I'm going to do a quick giveaway before we get started. I'm going to give away a free Udemy bullet course which will teach you how you can go and make money on Udemy selling all sorts of courses. Now, that will be the second link down below in the description of this video. It's completely free for a lifetime. I paid for this course. I'm now giving it to you here completely for free. It's on my YouTube channel. I want to bring you as much as value as possible, so I'm going to try to do some sort of giveaway in every video. With that also being said, make sure to go down below to the third link in the description of this video that will take you to my second YouTube channel, where I'm going to be documenting and trading live on that YouTube channel every single day and making money on the forex markets live. As most of you and most of my viewers, for those of you that don't know, have made the most money online off of my trading videos and have had the most success from that. So make sure to go to that channel down below. Make sure to go to that second channel down below. Make sure you got the bell on so that you will get a notification when I post today's trading video. With all of that being said, let's continue with today's video. So I just want to give you an idea of how this is going to work. Over here, you can see I've opened up a couple of online stores that I know is doing this for a fact. So you can have a look here. This website called PC Link Computers, which is a computer shop online store. They sell all sorts of other stuff as well, such as CCTV, printers, storage, phones, routers, UPSs, power banks, etc. And all of the products on their stores, such as desktops, laptops, monitors, software, storage, they don't have any of this in stock. I can promise you this is probably just being run from home by a single guy who's making six figures every single month, just running this store that looks really professional, that looks really big, but none of these products are actually in stock. And that's the secret here, because you've got no overheads. You don't need to pay for storage. You don't need to pay for a massive warehouse for electricity to store all these products. You don't need to fill up your garage and basement with full of these products that you sell online. All of this is outsourced through a supplier at a markup called dropshipping. But this is not going to be the usual Shopify dropshipping method that most people know about, where you run Facebook ads and that sort of thing. This is going to be through a different platform that is completely free for a lifetime and that I actually prefer to Shopify. In order to go and set this up, there's just a few things that we need to go and do. The first thing we need is to host any kind of website online is a hosting platform, which is a computer in the cloud, and anybody in the world can access that website via your link on the browser over here, which is called your domain. So the first step is you can come over to a website called awardspace.com/free hosting. So this is a website that will give you completely free hosting, free emails, free domain, and free internet hosting over here. All you need to do is enter your email address, your password, go and register your account. You will then be able to access your cPanel, which is the back end of your hosting that looks like this. Over here, where we can go and create WordPress website, Ecommerce, we can create portals, e-commerce sites, mails, we can create gaming websites, social networking, wikis, image galleries, forums, customer support website, ebook websites, anything that you want to go and create. In order to get to your cPanel, your service provider, in this case awardspace.com, would send you an email with a link, or if you come over to your client area, which looks like this is just my client area on a2hosting.com. I already have a hosting platform on this website. It works exactly the same, maybe it's just a different kind of dashboard. All you want to go and look for on your client area is the cPanel login over here. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to your cPanel that looks like this. We now need to go and click on WordPress A2 optimized, or just WordPress over here. It usually falls under the Softalicious apps installers. If you don't have this, you can just go and search in the search bar WordPress and it will pop up. At mine it's over here. So you're going to go and click on WordPress over here. We're going to go and create a new install. So we're going to click on the blue install button over here. We can go and choose our domain. I've already got a domain connected, and that's going to lead us to the second thing we need to go and do is just to go and get a free domain, which is really easy. So we can come over to a website called Froneman. .com, where you can actually go and get free .tk domains, so you can have your own link. For example, myshop.tk. Over here you can see. So let's go and type, for example, New York PC shop.tk. We can go and click on check availability. We can go and click on check availability, as obviously this domain has to be available and no one else must have taken it already. Over here you can see is the free TK domain. You pay zero money. You just click on checkout over here. You don't need to enter any credit card information. There's no hidden fees, and this domain now belongs to you. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on use DNS over here. You're going to click on use your own DNS, and you want to enter your name servers. So how you get that is you're going to come over to your website over here, and if you click on the about page, it will usually give you the name servers, or you can just go and search the name of this website on Google and just type name servers. If I click on enter, how do I change the name servers of my name? Here's the about page. Here you can see what are the award-space name servers. Here you can see it's ns5.awardspace.com and ns6. So you copy this one over here. You just go right click copy, come back to your domain here, paste number 1, and you're just going to go and paste name server number 2 over here. And just like that, you're going to click on continue, and it takes about a couple of hours. And once you've done that, you've got to wait a couple of hours for your domain to be connected to your hosting service. Once your domain has been connected, come back to your dashboard over here on cPanel. Just scroll down a little bit until you get to the domain section. Click on domains over here, and you can go and add your new domain. So you'll see, you click on create a new domain. Just type in that same name, so that would be newyorkpcshop.tk. Click on submit, and it will then be connected. And then when you come to the WordPress section over here, your domain will pop up in this drop down. Here you can create your site name, site description, the admin account, the admin password. So I'm going to go and do all of this for you quickly. Once that is ready, click on quick install over here. WordPress will then be installed. You then want to come over to your domain. So that would be, for example, mydomain.com/WP admin, and then you want to enter that same email and password that you set up, and then you want to enter that same email and password that you used when you created your WordPress website. Once you've signed into your WordPress dashboard, it's going to look like this. You'll see a whole bunch of menu bars on the left over here. The important ones being plugins, where we're going to go install this plugin, where we can go and import all these products to our online store. So we're going to hover over plugins, click on add new, and it will take us to the page where we can go and install all sorts of plugins. Now on your WordPress website, you can get paid any method that you like. Cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, you name it, PayPal, Stripe. There's so many different payment methods that you can go and use for your country. You can also use local bank plugins. You can use EFT, cash on delivery, but with this, we're not going to be using cash on delivery. On the search bar of the plugins, you want to go and type AliExpress and just click on enter, and over here you can see it's going to give you a whole bunch of different dropshipping plugins for AliExpress. ALD dropshipping and fulfillment for AliExpress and WooCommerce. This is the plugin that I use. You're going to go and click on install over here. On the next page, you can go and set up your profit margin on the AliExpress products that you add to your website. So for example, if you want to make 20% on sales or 30%, you can go and enter this over here. So for example, go and set your regular price to 100% profit. That means you make 100% profit on every sale. We're going to go and click on next over here. And then finally, we're going to click on install and return to dashboard. We then want to come back to plugins, click on add new again, and when there's another plugin that we need to go install, come to the search bar and as well type in AliExpress, click on enter, and over here you want to go and install this plugin here, AliExpress Dropshipping for WooCommerce by WooShark. And over here you want to come over to the Shark Dropshipping for AliExpress, click on this plugin on your menu bar, and you can go and search products on AliExpress and add them to your own store. So we're going to come over to aliexpress.com. or on Google. I'm going to click on the first link, and it's really up to you what kind of products you want to go and sell, whether it's women's fashion, a men's fashion store, phones and telecommunications, computers, consumer electronics, a jewelry store, bags and shoes. Quite a nice idea is if you can go and create a jewelry and watches store, and you can actually go and create TikToks on this type of content, and that way a lot of dropshipping stores have been getting very successful is through TikTok and the link to your store in the bio of your TikTok page. So for example, you can go and buy these earrings for just 79 US cents. You can go and sell them for $9.99 and make $8 profit every single sale. So all you do is you copy the SKU number of this product, or you can go and copy the URL at the top, go and paste this over here where it says insert by URL, paste this here, click on import. You can go and then copy and paste the same title over here of this product. So just go right click copy, and go and paste this over here. For the description, again, you can go and copy the description of this product, which is all of these images over here. So you just go and highlight all of this, right click, copy, paste, and paste that over here. And then you just want to click on import. Then you'll see over here, if I come over to my all products tab, my product has been added from AliExpress to my own store. And take a look at this. Over here, you can see is the product. You can choose from your options, light yellow, cold, light yellow, gold color, 8,000 in stock. You can click on add to cart and people can go and buy this on your own store. But all you want to do is come and edit the product and just edit your price and maybe increase that by 100 to 200%. And once you've added a couple of products to your store, maybe design up a nice little theme, which you can go and import, your store is now ready to go and make money. And the first thing you can go and think about doing is come over to TikTok.com. And I actually want to show you a really good example for this. If I come over to the search bar and search jewelry, click on enter, you want to go and have a look, if I can spell correctly, you want to go and have a look at some of the most viral TikToks in the jewelry niche, and you want to recreate this trend and kind of just leave a link in the bio to your store in your TikTok page and just mention at the end of every TikTok, link in bio to order your own. So yeah, you can see, for example, is a TikTok of a person rings from our shop versus rings from obviously another shop over here, just showing that their rings is better. And this video blew up to 5.8 million views. I mean, the amount of sales that you can go and get from this. Let's say you go and get 2,000 sales from 5 million views. 2,000 times $8 profit, that's $16,000 that you can potentially make in sales of 5.8 million views just on jewelry. And remember, your cost price is like $1. So if you're selling at $9.99, you're making $8 profit. So just like that, this is the potential revenue of a store like this, and this is how you can see why dropshippers make so much money, especially when they go viral on social media and TikTok. So TikTok's a great place to start. So what I'm going to help you with is I'm going to give you an entire free traffic course over here on YouTube with about 300 videos in of my best affiliate marketing and traffic videos over the last 2 years on YouTube. So I'm going to leave this playlist over here. I really recommend go and click on this, and you can actually use this traffic methods over here in these playlists for your online store over here. So go ahead, create your online store. Let me know how it goes on Instagram. Send me a message. Click on this playlist over here and apply some of these traffic methods, and I'll see you over here.